pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems! We are reviewing a new palette today. It is the Morphe. It is the 35C Everyday Chic palette. Yes! And in the future, one of these babies will be given away. So you want to see how I got this look, right? I just have to say thank you so much for clicking on this video. I do hope that you enjoy it. And let's get right into this eye look. Hi loves. So guess what? After losing a lot of footage, I finally have my stamina back and we're going to use the Morphe palette instead of going backwards and redoing the videos I already did. I'm not ready for that just yet. So mind you, I'm using my webcam to do this video until I get my new camera. So I have the 35C, the Everyday Chic palette that I've been kind of bragging to you guys about. Here she is, and I'm gonna use it. We're just gonna go for it today. Now the names of the colors are on this sheet, and the packaging is kind of cheap. Not really sure why they went that way with this, and I'm pretty sure this palette was either $25 or $35. I'm not really sure. I'll put that in here, but it's got a pressed glitter. It's got a mixture of matte and shimmers, and I can do a smoky eye. I can do a nude eye. I can do something with purples. There's a lot that can be done here. I think I'm going to start off with this purplish kind of looking color. And, ooh, okay, pigment, yes. It's blending beautifully. Now, mind you, this is my first impressions of actually using this. Wow. And I love me a good palette that blends. That's pretty. What do you guys think of that color? Oh, guys, I have a funny story for you. You know I have a 6-year-old. Well, you know I have lots of children, but my 6-year-old, we all decided we would take a little trip to the mall. We wore a mask just to get out of the house. This was like last weekend or whatever. And Jackson had this big old mask on his face, and we're walking in, doing our social distancing, but people were still around us. And he sneezes, and silence, and everybody turns, and he goes, well, at least the mask worked. And I'm telling you, I almost died. I was like, people were looking at me. I'm like, just a sneeze. It's cool. But just he's 6 going on like 25. It's crazy. Okay, so let's build up this color a little bit here because I really like it. And I'm thinking great transition shade. A lot of you are asking too about how to pair up a lipstick with your eye look. Look, if you want to do a specific eye look and you don't feel you have a lip color to go with it, I mean, there's a rule of thumb for a lot of things. You can do a smoky eye and a red lip and get away with that. You can also do, like, when in doubt, use a gloss. Like, go with a Jeffree Star gloss or a regular gloss, because at least you'll have something shiny and nice on your lips and it won't interfere with the eye look that you want to do. But I will get into that more on choosing lip colors. Definitely. Ooh. I'm just having fun building up this color here. I think we've taken it about as far as we can go. So I want to do something else in the crease here. Let me see. Let me grab my brush. I'm going to go in with, this is a Jaclyn Hill JH33. And the way that this brush is that it's going to pick up a good amount of product, but it's not going to be so fluttery to where I can actually blend really good in here. And that's what I want right now. And there's a lot of really pretty colors. I'm like, okay, this one is a shimmer. We're going to see how that works. I don't usually put a shimmer in my crease, but, ooh. And I usually use like what I call a packing brush or a flat brush and setting spray, but I want to see how these shadows perform, so I might as well play around with them, right? Look at that. Oh, amazing. I'm loving. Oh, look. Do you see that? That looks awesome in the crease. I'm liking. Ooh. I'm trying to use as many colors as I can too, but at the same time, I'm really trying to focus on a look, because when you sit down with a palette, and this may be like one of the only ones you have or one of the only ones you want to get, you want to be able to create as many looks as you can, but you also wanted to create a quality look. You know what I mean by that. Taking your time, not putting in too many colors, not overwhelming yourself. We get a little bit of kickback in the pan. Not much. I really do like that shimmer. I think that is amazing. I'm going to add a little bit more. Oh. Wow. Okay. So I'm not sure what to do. I'm going to go with a darker color and a different brush. A crease brush, something like this, a pencil like looking like crease brush. And I'm going to take one of these darker shades. This one is not quite a black, but it's charcoaly enough to fit with this look. And I'm really just putting that in the outer crease and on the outer part of my lid. And I'm just going to blend that in, just to give it some depth, some like, and then we can do something crazy at the end if we want. There's some really pretty greens in here too. Like, I'm like, all right. Ooh, I like. Very nice. I like it. So far, I'm loving this palette. This over here, I may have to use a different brush to blend. This isn't really a blending brush except for in the crease anyhow. So let's go ahead and grab another Jaclyn Hill brush, the JH35, and let's smooth this out right here. And you may lose some pigment, but also know that it's going to extend. What you blend extends. You guys know I've taught you that. Okay, so I'm going to dip back into the first color I used really quickly and just kind of go over this. And then I am going to go in with this here and that dark color that I just did. And we're going to put another round of this here. I'm just really, really liking that. And we're going to leave it there for a second, because what I want to do now is I want some setting spray. And by the way, I love this primer. I did not think that it was going to be better than this. This is more matte. This here, you actually have a glow, but not a shine. So I'm liking it. It has just the right amount of thickness and luminosity. I'm liking it a lot. Oh, okay. Hi. Maybe we'll do 3 looks with this palette. I'm so sad I lost my other videos, guys, and they were good too. Such a shame. Yeah, I totally am digging that. Okay, let's put some more color out here so we get that as dark as I possibly can. And then let's go into the inner corner now and see what we want to do. So I'm going to take like this Morphe brush here. This you can use for a brow bone highlight. And then whatever you want here. Let's see. Setting spray, this lightest color up here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? we're going to swoop right here and see how it works. Let's swoopy. Swoopity boopity. Okay. Oh, okay. A little bit much there. Gonna have to blend that out, but you do see the color, right? And it crumbled a little bit, but that's okay. Let's put it over here. Guys, thank you for being so patient with me with the whole camera situation. It's just losing the videos. At first I had no sound, now I lost them completely, so it's like, no voiceover either. Okay, now that I've got this on here, I want to make sure I have enough of the amount of color on each eye. So I'm going to go back in with a little bit of setting spray here. And we're going to make sure it's symmetrical. I'm going to let that dry, and then we're going to go in with a blending brush. But I do want to take this other color up top here, and just the third one down. It looks like a goldish kind of color, and I want to just like highlight right here.
Is this your drink?
No. Okay. Oof, I love that. Oh my goodness. All right, so we're letting that dry. We really need to blend. Let's see how we blend. And gently, my loves, gently blend. This should be a pretty easy eye look. Oof. Yeah, I like it. Okay, we need to do more down here, and we need to add some liner. I'm going to go in with Kat Von D's Cake Pencil, and we're going to put some black down here. Okay. You could even put like a really light color here if you wanted to, but you know me and my dark eyes. I like to have dark eyes. Okay, we've got some depth, we've got all that. Now I need another brush to smoke things out with. Yes, you guys having fun? I'm having fun. All right. Oh, this is the one that I want for blending the other. It's like the major one. Yeah, we need that. Okay. No. See how picky I am with my brushes? Ooh, this one will work for the inner corner highlight and to blend. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, I got it. I got it. We have another one of these. Let's go for it. Okay, what do I want to put underneath here? It's not necessary, but I want to do it to smoke that out with. I almost put this in my mouth as my cigarette. Good morning, Karen. All right. How about pink? Do you think we should do pink? I don't know. Kind of want to do pink. Just for like whatever reasons. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just go with, I don't think I've tried this one yet. This is a shimmer. And it's kind of purplish, and I think all of the color just fell off. Okay. Ooh. All right. Put a little glitter underneath the eyes there. And now really, really blend that other matte with it. There you go. See? Huge difference. Okay, let's do that again. All right. Now, how many of you have gotten this palette? I am so curious. They've got the MUA Mitchell one out. Oh, there's just so many things going. Look how pretty. See, I don't even know if you can see all of that because now I'm using my, what do you call that thing? Webcam. All right, so this is the wonderful blending brush where you can go back and blend everything right here, and it will smooth it all out. All of it. Oops. See the difference? The softness, like everything belongs together. Okay. Oof. I like a lot. All right, I want to do an inner corner highlight, and I'm going to use what I put on my brow bone. And remember, you can always swoop it up if you feel like it. If you feel like it's too separate, swoop it. You can always, it'll make the eye look nice. Swoopity boopity. And you can even do that down here too. So it makes things look nice, really nice and light in that inner corner. And then you've got the party out here. Yeah. All right, so now I need liquid liner, lashes, and a few other things. So give me a minute. So what do you guys think? I like the palette. I'm not sure, like I said, how much it's worth. It's either $25 or $35. I'll put it on the screen. But I like it. I could definitely create a lot of looks with this. I was going to do 3 looks with one palette, but I'm going to stick with my review for now. The packaging is definitely cheaper than what I'm used to. I think they used to do packaging like this, and then they got, I don't know, maybe with collaborations it's just different. In their regular palettes it's like this, but I remember them being a little bit more sturdy and feeling a little bit more quality. Overall, I highly recommend it. Definitely. I think with any skin tone, you could get multiple uses out of here, and especially if you're tan. And then you've got the lighter colors if you have a real light skin tone that you could totally use. Those first 2 rows would be excellent for you. And then the third for like the crease, yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah. So those are my thoughts. What did you guys think? Did you purchase this palette? Are you thinking of purchasing this palette? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you all for joining me for this video. Definitely tell me how you think my eye look came out, and I will see you real soon in another one. Bye.
Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swam against your tide. It keeps pulling me in.